As you'll have seen from my other videos, I got a few things given to us to test and to try review out, and this was one of them. It's a USB portable charger, or a backup emergency charger, whatever you want to call it. The box is pretty plain, it's just a brown box, and on the back here it's got a barcode with some numbers. Go inside the box, get this out. There's the unit, we'll get to that in a second. Inside the box you've got a little user manual, just basically telling you about it. It does say that you're supposed to read it, but whether you do want to read it is totally up to you. Inside, what you get is a little small USB to micro USB. That's obviously to charge it. And when we get to this, on here you've got 5 blue lights here. When I did plug it in to charge it, because I've already had a little bit play about with it and I've put it back in the box, this one started flashing, and then that one was a solid, and then this one started flashing, and I'm up to the 4th one, that one's flashing. So when I do get to the 5th, I'm guessing they're all going to be like a solid light. If I press this for the indication, that shows you how much battery you've got left in the device. If we look on the top here, you've got a USB here and a USB here, and this is what I plug in to charge it. I'm not actually 100% what this little light is for. I'm guessing maybe if you've got something plugged in, that'll come on. I'm not sure, I'll have to test that in a second. As you can see, it's just a white finish with green. I am colorblind, but I can tell the difference when it's white and green. It's actually pretty light. It's probably as heavy as a 2 terabyte hard drive if you've got an external one. It tells you on the back here your capacity, what's 8,000, and then it says input is 5 volts and 2 amps, and then output 1 and output 2. So the second one must be a little bit stronger. It'll probably tell you. Yeah, it does. It says here, it says 5 volt 1 amp, and it says here 5 volt 2 amp. Not sure if I can pick that up very well. But I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to go and grab, I cannot use my phone because I'm on my phone. I'm going to grab my tablet and plug it in and show you it working. Right, so I'm back. I had a little bit of a dilemma there. This wire, what you get with it, the standard wire, doesn't charge from that to that. But to be honest, I'm not bothered anyways, as long as it does charge the device, which it does. I would prefer a longer wire anyways, because I wouldn't be able to maneuver my tablet and my phone about, if you know what I mean, because with it being there to there, it's a bit of a short distance. So that's not a worry. This is the wire that I actually use to charge my phone all the time. I'm going to put it in the 1 amp one, which is the least powered one. When I plug it in this, my screen should turn on. There you go. It says there, it's charging. If I can focus on that. There you go, charging. And in the top up here, it's got the little flash line. So I'm going to put that on the side so I get a better view. If I put it in the other one, the 2 amp one, there you go, again, charging, and it's got the little flashy line up there. The only thing that I would have preferred is these lights to actually go out when I'm using it, because they stay on all the time, so obviously it's using a little bit battery power. If I did want to charge this and check how much, I would have just pressed that button. So that's the only thing I can say that I'm not too keen on. So we're at the end of the video. I've had a little bit play about with it and it seems all good. The only thing that I'm not on is, like I mentioned, if this battery was dead, that one would be flashing, and then that one would start flashing, and that would stay like a solid colour. But the end one, I haven't had yet to stay a solid colour. I would have preferred for it to go, say, a red or a green or something for go, or a red for like stop, turn it off, it's fully charged. I'm not sure how long it actually does take to fully charge, but I'll try and find that out and then I'll write it in the description. I can't say how long it'll last because it depends what you're using to charge. Whereas tablets have got a lot bigger battery than, say, a phone. So that's what I've been using it on, me tablet and my phone, and it works fine. I've always wanted one to try, and in case I'm in an emergency and I do need one to charge, say there's no power in the house or something, so they're all really good for that. And that's pretty much it. So once again, I'm going to put the link in the description if anyone is interested in one, and that's it.